Hello people, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the algorithms, that midpoint circle drawing algorithms. So this is the property of circle here. If you divide this whole circle in the 8 symmetric coordinates, that consider that this is first quadrant q1, q2, q3, q4, q5, q6, q7 and q8. So this is the consider any point here. This coordinate is x and y. So another we can find by the reflection with respect to this is 45 degree. So y is equal to x, this is straight line. So this coordinate will get it interchange y and x. Similarly, this one y and x is reflection of the positive x coordinate. This become y minus x. This one is x and minus y. This coordinate becomes minus x minus y. This coordinate is minus y minus x. This one is minus y and x, and this is the coordinate with minus x and y. So this is the 8 symmetric coordinate of the circle, and this is 8 octants. So we will draw the circle only in this first quadrant, from this one 90 degree to 45 degree, and we can apply this symmetricity for all the remaining 8 coordinates. So we'll talk about the first quadrant Q. So this is the equation of circle, this f of xy. We can write the equation of circle is equal to x square plus y square minus r square. And for the given point x and y, this f of xy, if equal to 0, consider this any point here which is lying on the circle. If we substitute this x and y, so the value of this coordinate will be, function value will be equal to 0. Xy value, if we're substituting it and this becomes 0, then we can write this point xy lies on the circle. And if f of xy, if it comes greater than 0, means point xy lies outside of the circle. Outside means somewhere here. And if f of xy is less than 0, then we can say that this is inside of the circle. So we are talking about the first quadrant here. So let's consider in the term of pixel. This one here. We are drawing from 90 degree to 45 degrees. We are talking about 90 degree to 45 degree only in the 90 to 45, only in the first quadrant, this Q1. So let's consider this coordinate is this xp and yp. So either it can go the circle here. So the next coordinate is this or this. So this coordinate is called as east E, and this coordinate is called as this southeast. So we can write the coordinate of this one is xp plus 1 and yp, and this coordinate southeast will be xp plus 1 and yp minus 1. This is one unit down. So we can find the midterms here, m, which is, we'll get it xp plus 1 plus xp plus 1 by 2, which is xp plus 1, and yp plus yp minus 1 by 2, which is yp minus half. So this is the coordinate of this middle point. This is the coordinate of this middle point. So now we'll find the values of this middle point as decision functions. This d is equal to f of m, and this f of m if to lie less than 0, which means inside, like as we discussed here, this xy coordinate, and if d this f of m is greater than equal to 0, means we can write here this m is outside. When is less than is there, means we are choosing this f of m, this is the point here, and you substituted here, this is a circle, and m is lying inside, means this circle line is closer to the east, so that time we will choose the east coordinate. When fm is greater than 0, means this circle is going from this way, and this middle terms m is outside, that time this line, this circle line is near to the southeast, so we will choose the southeast corner. So based on this decision parameter d, we can find whether this line is closer to southeast or east. So let's first we have find the d that we will consider as old for the f of m as middle point, this m. So we will get it here, this coordinate here for the middle is xp plus 1 and yp minus half. We will substitute this coordinate in the equation of circle, so we will get it xp plus 1 whole square plus yp minus half whole square minus r square. This is f of m. So let's consider when case 1, when d is less than 0. This is the d old values, and we got it here less than 0. So less than 0 means midpoint is lie inside. This we substituted here, we are getting the less than value, means this m values is inside of the circle, means this is the circle is going on. So it's closer to east, that time we have to choose the point east. Here we can write here, choose east coordinate, and east coordinate for the, we can find the new update of d new is equal to, as we discussed in the before, this becomes here this coordinate of m dash, this f of m dash, and this coordinate of m dash is xp plus 2, and yp will be the same, yp minus half, because this is same line of the y-axis. So we can write here this coordinate xp plus 2 and yp minus half, and we can substitute this one in the equation of circle. So we'll get it here xp plus 2 whole square plus yp minus half whole square minus r square. So this xp plus 1 I have to write in term of d old, so we can write xp plus 2, I can write it xp plus 1 plus 1 plus yp minus half square minus r square. So this one I will consider whole term is a, and this is b, a plus b whole square. So xp plus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into xp plus 1 plus yp minus half as it is only minus r square. So these terms, this and this whole terms, just like of f of xp at m point. So we can write this is d of old only. So the extra term you got it this term. So we can write 2xp plus 2 and plus 1, this is 3. So we got it here, difference of d in the east is 2xp plus 3. Similarly, when we choose the case when d is greater than equal to 0, Then you have to choose southeast corner. So southeast corner here, M, this will pass with this M is outside, so will pass from here, this coordinate, this M double dash. The next term, next pixel will be M double dash. The coordinate of M double dash is xp plus 2, this is sorry, xp plus 2 was there, this whole term is xp plus 2. xp plus 2 and M double dash coordinate is, and y value coordinate will be decreases by 1. So this is half was there, yp minus half, and minus 1 it become yp minus 3 by 2. So this will be the coordinate of the next when we choose the southeast corner. So we can write it here, f of M double dash will be f of xp plus 2 and yp minus 3 by 2. So this one will substitute in the equation of circle. You get it xp plus 2 whole square plus yp minus 3 by 2 whole square minus r square. So this one we can write xp plus 1 whole square plus yp minus half minus 1 whole square minus r square. So this one is a, this is b, a plus b whole square, xp plus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into xp plus 1, plus similarly here this is a, this is b. So yp minus half whole square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into yp minus half into 1 minus r square. So this term, this xp plus 1 whole square, yp minus half whole square and r square is d of old only. So remaining term is left here, this one 2xp plus 2 plus 1 3, and here minus 2yp, and this will become plus 1 and this 1 plus 1. So we can write it here, d new is equal to d old plus 2 times of this one, we can take the common here, xp minus yp plus 5. So difference in the southeast, we got it here 2 xp minus yp plus 5. So this is the difference in the southeast corner. So we can check for the initial value condition. Initial condition, since we are taking from the 90° here, so here the coordinate is x is 0 and y is r, so we can check as the x is 0 and y r coordinate we can put it. So if we put 0, so this xp is 0 and this become 1, so 1 and r minus half, so we can get this coordinate here for the next midpoint is f of 1 and r minus 1 by 2. If we substitute this one in the equation of circle, 1 square plus r minus half whole square minus r square, we'll get it here 1 plus r square plus 1 by 4 minus 2 into r into 1 by 2 minus r square. This one cancel here. So this becomes 5 by 4, 5 by 4 minus r. For the avoiding this decimals, we can write this 1.25, it will come here, we can write 1 minus r. So the whole algorithm, we can write this whole summary of this algorithm is, we first initialize this point xp and yp, plot initial point. Xp as a 0 and Yp as a R for the initial condition. And the initial we got it here 1 minus R, yeah, 5 by 4 minus R. If D initial, yeah, D initial value becomes less than 0, then choose east corner that we have done. And this, if we're choosing the east corner here, this is the east corner here, if we're choosing it here, so that the next coordinate will be xp plus 2 and yp minus half. Means x coordinate will change by 1, y coordinate will be as it is. So we can write it here, x will be increment by xi plus 1 and y has no changes. And d new, we got it here d old plus 2xp plus 3 as we did in the derivation. And if d is initial is, yeah, d initial, yeah, d new, if any point of time d, if you got it greater than equal to 0, then we have to, x will be increment by 1 and y will be also decrement by 1. So we can write here x is equal to xi plus 1, yi becomes here yi minus 1, because we have seen here this was the xp plus 1, we have increment xp plus 2, and y is here yp minus half, and we decrement yp minus 3 by 2. So y will decrement by 1, and next d new will be d old plus 2 times of xp minus yp plus 5. So this is the whole algorithm. You have to continue till your x coordinate will be either greater than or equal to y. Okay, we'll see the example here. Though the circle is given here in first quadrant, radius is equal to given here 10. So we can write the initial values here. This x naught is 0 and 10 is given here. This is starting point 0 and 10. So d initial is equal to 1 minus r, which is 1 minus 10, which is minus 9. So we got in d is less than 0. D less than 0, then we have to choose the east condition. We have to choose east. So d new will be here 2xp, this one, d old plus 2xp plus 3. So we can write d old is minus 9 plus 2 into xp. So 2 into xp means x coordinate, which is 0, and plus 3. So this will get it minus 6. And we have to do it here x increment and y no changes. So x increment and y no changes means it becomes the coordinate is 1 and 10. X will be 0 plus 1, which is 1, and y no changes. Next case we got it d is again less than 0. Again we have to choose the east only. So d new is equal to, again same formula, minus 6 plus 2 into xp, which is 1 now, plus 3. So 3 plus 2 5, and minus 6, which is minus 1. So again here x increment and y no changes. Same again here d negative, we choose the east. D new is equal to same d old plus 2 xp, minus 1 plus 2 into xp now is 2 plus 3. 2 to the 4 plus 3, 7 minus 1, 6. 6 we got it. So x have to increment, y no changes. Now we got it here d is greater than 0. So we have to choose southeast. So the formula is d new is equal to d old plus 2xp minus yp plus 5. So d old is 6 plus 2 into xp. Xp is this one 3 coordinate, and this is yp is 10. So 3 minus 10 plus 5. You'll get it here. 3 minus 10 is minus 7 minus 14, and this is minus 3. So here when you are doing this one here, x have to increment, y have to decrement. So x coordinate will be 4, and now y decrement it will become 9. Next, for the d, again we got it less than 0. So again we have to choose the if condition. So d new is equal to again d old plus 2xp plus 3 minus 3 plus 2 into xp plus 3. So 8 plus 3, 11 minus 3, which is 8, and we can write this one, x increment, y no changes. Again here d is greater than 0. We have to choose it southeast. So d new is equal to d old plus 2 times of xp minus yp. 5 minus 9 is minus 4 plus 5. 13 minus 8, which is 5. X have to increment and y have to decrement. Again d is here greater than 0. So you have to choose the southeast. So d new is equal to 5 plus 2 times of 6 minus 8 is minus 2 plus 5. So this is 10 minus 4 is 6. And here x increment and y decrement. Here we got it here. X and y both are same, then you have to stop. When x and y is same, or x is greater than y, then you have to stop the iterations. So whatever the coordinate we have got it, we have to draw the circle. We will get it in the first quadrant, like this one. Okay. So next we will see about the ellipse. So in this case, we are drawing the ellipse by using the midpoint algorithms. So this is the ellipse here. The equation of the ellipse we can write here: f of xy is equal to bx square x square plus a square y square minus a square b square. This one also we can write x square by a square, y square by b square is equal to 1. Yeah, any form you can write it. Where the length of this major axis is equal to 2, length of this minor axis is 2a, and this 2b. So in this case, in this ellipse here, we will drawing the first quadrant here. So this is very important. So I am drawing once again this structure. This is the ellipse here. So ellipse equations, we know that we have drawn the length of the major axis and minor axis. Now here the difference is here in this if you see here in the first quadrant only, till here, till at this point, x and y is changing slowly, but after this point here, x and y is changing very fast. Okay, yeah, you can write it here. This is not like a circle. Circle, when a and b become a same, then same ellipse it become a circle only. But here a and b are different here. So at this point, the circle is this x and y is changing with very small rate, and this is this coordinate from here to here. This line, this x and y is changing very fast. So here what it mean here, till this point means till of this is 45 degree, y is equal to x line. This region tan theta, tangent will be less than 1. The slope will be less than 1 in term of magnitude, and in this region tangent will be greater than 1 in term of magnitude, and particularly at this point tangent will be equal to 1. So here, like a circle, we cannot take symmetric of this region and this region symmetrically, because here tangent is different, here tangent is in greater than 1. So we'll divide the first quadrant only in the two regions R1 and R2. And this, when R1 and R2 is able to handle it, then another three regions, this and this, we can do by the symmetric property. So in this case of circle, we have drawn, like in the case of circle here, this Q1 and Q2 was also symmetric. So we have taken as a whole 8-way symmetric coordinate. But during in the this case ellipse, this region R1 and R2 are not symmetric because x and y here is changing in a small rate, and here is x and y is changing very speedily. And you can say that tangent in this coordinate in the region R1 is less than 1 and here greater than 1. So this have to consider draw the pixel in two regions R1 and R2 to fill the first quadrant of the point. And another coordinate we can obtain by using the symmetric property. So when choose, first we have choose the region R1. So this is R1 here. This region is R1. So we have to choose the next point. We can write it like this. This is R1 here. So this is the point we have drawn. Here 1 minute, that I will erase it clear. This point we have drawn, consider. So next we can choose either this point or this point. This point and this point. So this dotted line is the next point we can choose. So in choosing the R1 here, between this east, southeast. This point is east and this is southeast. When you are selecting in the R1. When you are taking in the region R2, that time this is the point here. So next coordinate will be either this or this one. Because we have to not choose this one. This one we are not going straight. We are going either down, little bit here, sharp changes will be happen. So this coordinate and this coordinate you have to choose. So whereas the R2, it is the south or this one southeast. You have to choose. So in this we can write it here. In choice of the pixel in R1 region between east and southeast, whereas in the R2 between the south and southeast. So for these functions which we have ellipse functions like bs square x square plus a square y square minus a square b square is equal to 0. We have already written this function only. So we'll write it here. This we'll find the gradient of this function. Gradient of this f of xy to check out the direction of x-axis and y-axis. So what is the gradient here? Partial differentiation with respect to x and partial differentiation with respect to y. X will indicate the I and j axis and this function f of xy. So if we differentiate partially this one with respect to x, so we'll get it 2x and b square as it is only. So 2x b square, this is 0 and this is also 0 in the x-axis, plus 2a square y in the y-axis. So also we can decide by this one, if this del f by del x and del f by partial differentiation with respect to y, if we did in the absolute values, if it's greater than this with respect to x, the slope is greater, then we can say that this is region 1, and if del f by del x is less than del f by del y, then we can write this is region R2. When both are same, del f by del x and del f by del y, then we can say that these are region at the region boundary. So this is less than 1 means x is here greater and here y is greater, and at particular point at this line, at this point here, the tangent both with respect to x and with respect to y will be the same. So we obtain the criteria when the next midpoint moves from R1 to R2 by using the conditions we obtained. We will select which region we are working on. When the next midpoint moves from region R1 to R2 by using this bs square xp plus 1 if greater than equal to a square of yp minus half midpoint. So these conditions, if holds, then we can switch off the region R1 to R2. So now let's first we are discussing about the region R1. So first let the current pixel is xpyp, and that is your d old. So d of d old we can write is d of m, f of m, which is f of xp plus 1 and yp minus half, like a center as we have done in the circle. So we are doing in the region 1. This is the xpyp, this is xp plus 1 yp, this is xp plus 1 yp minus 1, and we are working on this region middle m. So we'll substitute this in the equation of ellipse. So this d old, it will become here b square xp plus 1 whole square plus a square yp minus half whole square minus a square b square. So this is the old value. Now for if case 1, when d is what less than 0, which means midpoints lie inside of the ellipse, we will choose the east corner like we have chosen in the circle also. This one, this midpoint which one we are finding it here, this midpoint consider lie inside of this ellipse. So line is passing from the closer to the east, so we'll choose the east point, like as we discussed in the line as well as in the circle. This midpoint is lie inside, so this ellipse line will closer to the east point, so we'll choose the point east. So choose choice is your east. So when A is the choice here, so we know that d m values, the new values will be f of xp plus 2 and yp minus half, as we discussed in the ellipse also, that if this is it's coming in this point here, so next point will be this one m dash, which is xp plus 2 and yp minus half, and this one point will substitute in the equation of ellipse. So b square xp plus 2 whole square plus a square yp minus half whole square a square bs square. So bs square, I can write this one as a xp plus 1. So I am writing direct here, we have done in the circle. xp plus 1 plus 1, I can write it xp plus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into xp plus 1 into 1, 2ab. And this one as it is only because here also a square yp minus half minus a square b square. So bx square xp plus 1 whole square plus bs square plus 2b square xp plus 1 plus a square yp minus half whole square minus a square b square. So we can write here this one is d of old only. So the next which is changes here, this one b square plus 2bs square xp plus 1. So d new is equal to, I can write d old plus this one, if you take the common here b square, so we will get it here xp 2xp plus 3. So we can write the difference in the east in the region 1, because we are discussing about the region 1, is 2xp plus 3. Now in the when the d is greater than equal to 0, case 2, when d is greater than equal to 0, when d is greater than equal to 0, which means this midpoint is lying outside. This midpoint here, which when we have find it here, now it's lying at this point. Okay, this one I will show it here. This is the circle is passing here, and this ellipse is passing over here, and this M is lying outside. So this ellipse line now is closer to this southeast. So we will choose southeast. So southeast here, the coordinate will be this one, xp plus 2, and yp will be decrement. This one it will become half. This is already m. This m is xp plus 1 and yp minus half. So when it will be, this will be m double dash. So x will be increment here xp plus 2, and y will be decrement by 1, which will become yp minus 3 by 2. This will be m double dash. So the new d will be f of xp plus 2, and y becomes yp minus 3 by 2, and that is your m double dash. So we will substitute again here this one in the equation of ellipse. bs square xp plus 2 whole square plus a square yp minus 3 by 2 whole square minus a square b square. So bs square and here xp plus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into xp plus 1 plus here a square, here yp minus 1 minus half, we can write yp minus half minus 1. So yp minus half whole square plus 1 square minus 2ab, 2 into yp minus half into 1 minus a square b square. So if we simplify here, this terms, and this one will be d of old. So the new term is here bs square plus 2b square xp plus 1 plus here a square minus 2s square yp minus half. So d old is equal to, we can write d new is equal to d old plus this one. If you take the common here, we'll get it bs square is equal to 2xp plus 3, and here if you do the multiplication, we'll get cancel here, and this is yp 2yp. So it becomes here a square common here minus 2yp plus 2. So if you write the difference in the southeast in the region 1 only, we got it this one bx square 2xp plus 3 plus a square minus 2yp plus 2. This is the region 1 when we are choosing the southeast one. Now same thing we will talk about in the when the region is 2. In region 2 R2. So let's consider xk and yk. Xk and yk was the last term in the, and before that we will see the some initial value condition also. This one d of initial in region R1. So we can choose it the coordinate 0 and b. So d initial will become here 0 you put, so 0 plus 1 it will become 1, and this b minus half. So we'll get it b square plus a square 1 by 4 minus b. So this will be the initial condition in the region R1. Now we switch to the region R2. Consider this xk and yk as the last point in region R1. This one is the last point considered in this one here in the region 1. Now it's entering to the region R2 by checking the conditions of this one. Which conditions? Which given in the this one. Okay, so now it will be entering into region R2 to R1. Okay, so it's we are talking about region R2. So the last point in the region R1 is xk and yk. So the midpoint of this f of m2 will find it, which is xk plus half and yk minus 1. So here this xk plus 1 is the midpoint here. So if you substitute this one in the equation of ellipse, xk plus half plus a square yk minus 1 whole square minus a square b. So the now coordinate is this is xk yk. This was xk plus 1 and yk. This is xk plus 1 and yk minus 1, and this coordinate will be keep decreasing here. So the m is the midpoint here. So this is we'll consider as a d old. So now for the choice, when d is less than 0, we'll choose the southeast corner in the ellipse here. When d is less than 0, then we are choosing the southeast corner, this one, because that m is like that if less than 0 is given here, this m is like inside, this line is passing closer to the southeast, so we are choosing the coordinate southeast. So keep in mind here, whenever you're choosing the southeast corner here, the coordinate will be here for this xk plus 3 by 2, because it will be added one more terms and half plus 1, and will be decrement by one step, yk minus 2. When you're choosing the east corner, the south corner, in the next case, the coordinate will be xk plus half and yk will decrement by 1. So yk minus 1 minus 2, and this xk plus half will be the same. So these two coordinates will use it in the region R2. So first for the southeast, so the coordinate will be there, d nu is equal to f of xk plus 3 by 2 and yk minus 2. So if we substitute this one in the equation of the ellipse, bs square xk plus 3 by 2 whole square plus a square yk minus 2 whole square minus a square b square, we can write bs square xk plus half whole square plus 1 plus 2 into xk plus half into 1 plus a square, this is yk minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 2 into yk minus 1 minus a square b square. So this terms and this one is d of old, so the terms left is bs square plus 2b square into xk plus half plus a square minus 2a square yk minus 1. So if we simplify further, we will get it d old is called d old plus this b square, if you take the common, you will get it 2xk plus 2 into this one become 1. 1 plus this one is 2 plus a square minus 2yk and 2 and plus 1 3. So this is d nu. So difference in the southeast in the region 2 will get it bs square 2xk plus 2 plus a square minus 2yk plus 3. Now we will do in the when choice is d is greater than equal to 0. So when d is greater than equal to 0, then the case is choose the coordinate southeast, and next coordinate of the southeast will be this one. This one I have written for the next term. Okay, like m double dash and m dash. So m double dash will be f of xk plus half and y will be decrement by 1, so yk minus 2. So again this one you have to substitute it. So you can write bs square, this one I have to not expand anything because this is as it is, as plus a square, this one I can write it yk minus 1 whole square plus 1 square minus 2 into yk minus 1 minus a square b square. So we can write bs square xk plus half plus a square yk minus 1 whole square plus a square minus 2a square yk minus 1 minus a square b square. So this part and this part is just like your d old. So d new is equal to d old. The next term is left here, this one, a square minus 2a square yk minus 1. So we can write it here d old. This one if you multiply, you can take a square common here, so we'll get it minus 2yk, and this is 2 and plus 1 3. So pi d in the south corner in the region 2, we'll got it this one, a square minus 2yk plus 3. So this is the drawing of the ellipse. So we'll see some problem based on this ellipse, and then we'll see some problem based on this. Okay, so thanks for watching.